nervous because I have to get a physical at the doctor's today. I guess every kid has to get a physical, but I have never gotten one because my mom never brought me to the doctor before. I never even went to the doctor when I was born. It's kind of pathetic, but my mom and all of her friends wanted to have a big celebration when I was born, so my mom just had me at the bar. It might be kind of embarrassing that I was born at a bar, but please do not judge me because I'm just like all the other kids regardless of where I was born, okay? So yeah, about the physical, I'm just kind of scared. I mean, no offense to people who like going to physicals, but I personally am scared of doctors. Just whatever, okay? I mean, I've already gone to the dentist, so I'm pretty sure the doctor can't be that much worse. I'm just scared that something will go wrong.
Fred, we have to go to the doctors. Come on.
Okay, Mom, I'll be there in just a sec. See ya, guys. I'll talk to you after I go to the doctor's. I'm at the doctor getting a physical. Mom, I'm never gonna go to the doctor again! It was horrible. It was horrible! First of all, right when I got there, he pricked my finger! I'm not even gonna take off the Band-Aid because the cut is way too gruesome to look at. I'm just gonna take one peek. And let me tell you, the cut was not the worst part. There were worse things. Okay, this is very embarrassing to talk about, but the doctor made me pee inside a cup. He gave me a little cup and said go to the bathroom and urinate.
Urinate.
I don't know why he hacking wanted that, but it is sick. It is sick to me. He is a sick man. I mean, I still urinated inside the cup. I was just wondering why he wanted it, you know? That doctor must have not known what he was doing because he did a bunch of useless stuff like hitting my knee and watching my leg pop up and checking my spine. I'm like, what are you doing? I personally do not want to offend the doctor in any way, but to me, what he was doing seemed a little bit useless. Another thing the doctor made me do was... just never mind. All I'm gonna say is that he made me cough to one side and cough to the other. It was just downright wrong. And my mom was just sitting and watching the whole entire thing. She let him cut my finger. She let him do all this weird stuff.
Fred, it was normal what he was doing. Stop complaining.
Just shut up, Mom. It's not right.
Fred, what'd you say? Tell me what you said again, young man.
I didn't mean it, Mom. I'm sorry. Okay, well, I'm not gonna try to offend my mom by complaining, but the worst part of it all was they gave me a chicken pox shot. It hurt really bad. It hurt so bad. I was crying so hard. I mean, I'm not trying to be paranoid, but I could have sworn they were going to inject poison into me. I could have sworn. I knew that doctor was plotting against me. Every little move he did was to make me mad. He was gonna put poison into me. He was gonna put poison. But I guess he did it because or else I would have been really sick or something by now. Okay, now that I think back on it, it wasn't that bad, you know? I mean, it wasn't that bad. Maybe I was exaggerating. But it's not my fault that I have issues. I have problems. I don't see it as a normal kid would, okay? I'm paranoid. So if you're gonna get a physical sometime in the near future, just remember it's not that bad. I mean, it might hurt just a little to get your finger pricked or get a shot, but in the end, it's all for your own good. Trust me. I thought the doctors was kind of scary at first, but then I realized that it wasn't so bad! Ow, that last note hurt my throat! Okay, well, it's 8 p.m., so it's getting close to my bedtime, so I think I'm gonna go. Peace out, home dog! See you later! And urinate.
Urinate.